good day, my ladies and my gents. Happy Wednesday. Which means it's time for another, well, I'd say a thrilling episode, but this thing's kind of quiet today, so it's kind of a quiet What Did You Buy Wednesday. It's hosted by our buddy Joe up there in Montana, Big Sky Model Workshop. And they actually got some snow not long the other day. But anyway, idea is stash ads, supply ads, you find a new online retailer that's got good products, good prices, that kind of thing. Let us know about them. And so, anyway, what I wound up with, you can see I got some decals and some pins. This, I'm not sure where Mom got them. My mom is going to be 84 this year, and she's had a neuromuscular disease called myasthenia gravis for close to better than 40 years, and been retired now about 40 years, and she needed to do something to basically pass the time. And so she took some art classes out at the local junior college, and actually wound up getting an associate's degree in art over it. But one of the things she did was stipple drawing. And stippling is when you take a pin, I'm just going to grab a ballpoint to demonstrate, and on the paper, and you just go dot, 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 until you fill in an area and make it dark enough. And you can get wider pins and narrower pins, and you just tap them. And if you look at an old newspaper and you see some of their photographs and the dot matrix looking stuff, that's essentially a type of stipple. And what you kind of wind up with. And Mom actually got pretty darn good at it. Won a couple of shows with them. But in the process, her hands got too weak over the years to be able to continue to be able to properly hold the pin for the length of time. She'll put in 60 or 80 hours worth on a drawing that she does. So, but anyway, so it she had these, never wound up opening them up, and she found them not long ago and gave them to me. So yeah, these are, get this in my fingers and see the sizes of them. And over at Hobby Lobby, that's like a $20 or $30 set, something like that. And so looking to see if there's any kind of a deal on here that might have a date on it, but it's not showing anything at all. So, but yeah, so I got a whole bunch of these. The line drawing pins that you can get. Go in and do stuff like on a dashboard or your panel lines or something. These are pretty good for it. That's a nice set. And then my birthday is coming up here in a couple of weeks, and my mom asked me what some stuff that I wanted for my birthday, and I gave her a list of kits that a lot of them were on sale, and told her, I said, one or two of these would be great. And I pointed out three of them. One is I don't remember what the cars were, but one of them is the trailers, semi trailers, that triaxle step deck that came with the the bulldozer on it, and then you got the other one that has the transformers on it. Hobby Link, and I'm not sure if they still have them on sale or not, had those with the transformers for $31. You might go check them out if you want some of them. And I told Mom I'd like to have one, and along with a couple of different cars, a couple of old nifty cool looking things, and a couple of trucks and so forth, and that were on sale. So, but I also asked if I could go ahead, if she was going to make an order, to get some decals, because do it all at once, don't have to pay extra shipping for them. So order came yesterday, and I got some decals. Yay! So I got a couple of these of the kind of show you here what I wound up with. The hometown sponsors, first sheet and number 3. These are kind of fun because you can use these for company logos to go on pickups or cars or whatever. You got a company that you bought and you want some logos on it, or a truck or something. And some of these they're kind of fun. And like electrical supply and stuff like this. Tony's Pizza. Hey, I can even make a Gopher Racing company car. But it's got some other stuff on here that would be fun to put on or mix and match. That's that one. I got this one. And A to Z rental with the guy with the, yeah. Uh, Excuse me. Some of these, Don Ho's Restaurant Lounge. Stuff like Squirrel Away, self-storage, construction lumber. I just thought Stinky's Fish Camp. I just saw that. That's fun. But, something like that. That might be fun. And then I also got, they call this one Drink Responsibly. And it's just some old beer logos. Y'all remember Ham's Beer? How about Stroh's, Lone Star, Red Dog? Some of these I don't remember. Blatz I don't remember. Schaefer I didn't hear about till not too many years ago. But I just got a selection of these. I've got a couple of those Coors cab over Peterbilts. And I thought it might be kind of fun to put together a truck with several of the various things on it for beer delivery truck or hauling beer or something. Just having something like that. That might be fun. So, anyway, that's what I wound up getting. The package came yesterday, and Mom took it and went through it, checked everything off on the invoice, and then gave me my decals. I have no idea what she got. I know she got at least a kit because of the size of the box. Don't know what it is. So, excuse me. But anyway, so we're going to talk real quick now about vcgresins.com. I talk about them a lot. This is one example. It is the stock 283 Chevy small block, and I'm using the small block Chevy Hemi head conversion kit that Josh sells. And you can see how things wind up. It's really pretty well engineered. And could put a bracket in there for the alternator, but it fits real well just like that. And it's wired up. That's for the coil when I wind up getting him in. And yeah, so, but anyway, vcgresins.com, bottom of the homepage. Be sure and sign up for the newsletter. Real easy. Put your name, email address, hit submit. You're signed up. Josh teased last weekend about the early four-cylinder Ford engine that went in the old Model A's, Model T's, with possibly some performance parts to go with it. You sign up for the newsletter, and you'll be notified when they actually come out, along with other stuff and that type of thing. So yeah, sign up for that newsletter. You can go shopping. You find some stuff that you just can't live without. Some really cool looking stuff. You got engines and all kinds of nifty stuff. I'm not going to go through it and waste your time because you can spend that time actually looking. So, but anyway, go looking. When you find some stuff, you go over to checkout. Be sure and use promo code Jester10, JESTER10, and save you 10% on your order. It does not include shipping, which is all of $6. Better than a lot of places. And if your bill totals over $100 without the shipping, of course, you get free shipping. So, and Josh packs well. I've had some boxes come in that are just looking at them going, oh, I hope everything's even still there because the box is split open. And you open it up and everything's fine. So, yeah. So, be sure and do that. Check him out. You wind up with something cool like this. So, Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I've got been working on this Chevy 3100. Had to move the engine forward quite a bit because forgot that I had a firewall that I needed to put in, and to get it to sit, I needed to do more work on it. So, yeah, got it straightened out, new mounts done, and I'll talk about it in a later video. And so, unless something pops up, I will probably talk to y'all Sunday for Sunday Text Talk. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, get this thing figured out and posted up, and I will talk to y'all later. B-Tex, signing out.